Yes, viewers, thank you so much for joining us live here on Sly Media TV. We are broadcasting from Zimbabwe to all the corners of the world via our Facebook page and also our YouTube channel. We want you to contribute to the conversations that are taking place because they affect you in your daily lives. What we want to do is to discuss the defection of senior members of MDC going to join ZANU-PF, and the question is, has ZANU-PF changed, or there's something that is happening behind the scenes? This is the platform to discuss these happenings which are also taking place in our vicinity. We want to discuss our own issues as Zimbabweans. Wherever you are, you may be abroad or you may be in Zimbabwe. Are you one of those people who is planning to defect, or have you defected? Are you a supporter who used to support MDC but you have moved to ZANU-PF? This is your opportunity to tell us why you have decided to join ZANU-PF or to rejoin ZANU-PF. Well, they are supporters for the past 21 years. We have never had any other party card except MDC. And also we have some senior political opposition members who were former ZANU-PF before. They defected from ZANU-PF because they were pointing at certain things that were happening in Zimbabwe. But now they are saying we are going back to ZANU-PF. 2021 has seen the unthinkable things happening in the political arena. Before, it was Didmus Mutasa rejoining ZANU-PF and so rejoining ZANU-PF. But now, it's the MDC comrades who are joining ZANU-PF, within whom they criticized left, right, and center, and also made efforts to suffocate its existence by advocating for sanctions, which ZANU-PF has always been on record on song as saying MDC are a puppet of the West. Were ZANU-PF lying, or they were speaking the truth about the opposition members? This was revealed by a prodigal son, Obed Gutu, when he was speaking to Blessing Mhlanga in an interview that they were advocating for sanctions. He's not the only one to have joined ZANU-PF. Senator Lillian Tim-Vias has also joined ZANU-PF. Senator James Makore has also joined ZANU-PF. Honorable Blessing Chebundo has also joined ZANU-PF. What's your take? Has ZANU-PF changed? Are just these prodigal sons who were lost, who waifurirwa? Nasuno ngati taurena muchirongwa chinechi kuti zvave papi iyo muyo musangano weZANU-PF wachinja here kubva kutsika yakanga ichitaurwa ichiblemwa nevanhu vakambenge vabva kwairi kuzodzokera kunojoina ZANU-PF. Kuti tenzwe kuti pfungwa dzenyu imimi zvamunokwanisa kungoita kungotumira comment yenyu, kana muchinge matumira comment yenyu tine chiverenga sezvairi. Tiri kukurudzira kuti maZimbabweans ngatitaurire nyaya dzinoenderana nezvezvinhu zvemumusha medu. Kutukana hakusi kugadzirisa zvinhu. Tiri kuda vanhu vanotaura zvine musoro. We are asking you to use this democratic space to air your views, your comments, your positive criticism, your constructive criticism is also welcome. Just criticism without offering any solutions is also a social criminal offense. What is it that you think should be done is what we want from the wonderful listeners in Zimbabwe. Tunakunzwa muchitaurawo pfungwa dzenyu kuti imi munofunga kuti vanava vari kutengwa here kuti vanojoina ZANU-PF, kana kuti zvavari kutaurawo zvavakaona ichokwadi. Imi munotiwo kudi ndimi here vaitungamirirwa nevatungamiriri ava makafurirwa kuti muende kuopposition muchipromiswawo zvamanga muchipromiswawo. Toda kunzwa pfungwa dzenyu, toda kunzwa pfungwa dzenyu. Anditika toda kunzwa kuti imimi kwamuri ikoko kana muri masupporters muri kufungawo sei. Anditika thank you so much. The first viewer here is Kudzibondolo. Yes, it has changed a lot now worse than the old. Right. Chinetika nchekuti Kudzibondolo kana uchida kukomenta iri video. Anditika hapana chekunyara, hapana chekuwanda. Chatiri kukurudzira ndechekuti unongo klika link randa kuisa parakanzi zo StreamYard. Kana uchingo wa klika link iroro unobva wa commenta via our video link wherever you are. There's nothing you need to do, whether you are watching from YouTube or you're watching from Facebook. Ngatitaure nezvazvo, ngatinzwe ZANU-PF yachinja here kana zvayachinja ndezvipi zvayachinja. Is the new dispensation walking the talk? Is the new dispensation walking the talk? Elias Mumbamaro, I never joined ZANU-PF. I never joined ZANU-PF. Hausati wambojoina ZANU-PF. Asi isusu mubvunzo wedu nhasi uno ndokuti ZANU-PF yachinja here muzvipomerwa zvayo zvaikanga zvitaurwa nemasenior opposition members who have rejoined ZANU-PF. Ndo zvatinoda kunzwa kuti imi munoti kudi mangwarani ano nhasi uno pano pachirongwa ngatitaurei nezvazvo. Let's talk about it and use this democratic space not to throw stones at each other, but to offer solutions and move forward. Let's put these political leaders into check by contributing effectively on how you think things have changed since the new dispensation. Before I take some messages that are coming from you, we want to discuss why senior MDC members are leaving the party and going to join ZANU-PF. We have said Senator James Makore has joined ZANU-PF, Senator Lillian Timvias has joined ZANU-PF, Honorable Blessing Chabundo has joined ZANU-PF, Honorable Obed Gutu has also joined ZANU-PF. What do you think? Are they in the right frame of mind? Kanoti pane mari iri kuchinja maoko vakanti vari kutengwa sekuona kwamunoita dima supporters munovatevera munogara munharaunda imwe chete navo imi munozvionawo sei? Ivo vakataurawo maonero avo tichange tichikupai mameseji iwo tichikuverengera mamessages ezvavakataura mushure mekunge vabva ku
Welcome to Azambezi River Lodge, Victoria Falls. Nestled on the banks of the mighty Zambezi River, right on the edge of the national park, Azambezi occupies the most unique and finest spot with the tranquility and seclusion every traveler seeks. Each of its well-appointed rooms is either garden or river facing, allowing you to soak in the serenity of the environment. The award-winning restaurant Amlonga offers delectable cuisine, which includes our famous high teas. To explore Victoria Falls from this fine location, book any of our packages now. Azambezi River Lodge. Relax, refresh, replenish.
At Sly Media Productions, we offer live streaming services to companies willing to reach a worldwide audience. We have the capacity to live stream debates from various locations for a wide range of clients.
And our online audience, we welcome you back.
We follow them and help build Zimbabwe brand on a positive note.
On the second report on citizens' perceptions.
And for us, our interest has always been around how do we leverage technology to communicate policy, to communicate public issues.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us live here on Sly Media TV. We are discussing this issue where senior opposition members are defecting from MDC to join ZANU-PF, and we are asking, has ZANU-PF changed? And vanhu vese vari kuchinja vachienda ku ZANU-PF ava vari kuenda vachiti ZANU-PF yachinja here, toda kunzwa pfungwa dzenyu. Taisawo zvekare pa comment section apa patapesta pakanzi StreamYard, chamunongoita imimi kuklika pakanzi StreamYard apo munokwanisa kunge muchikomenta nevideo, andika nevideo link. Chandiri kukumbira ndechekuti imimi kana muchinge makupinda muchirongwa handitika muchida kukomenta via our video link, chamunongoita imimi ndechekuti foni yenyu inofanira kunge iri pa landscape yakadai ndiyatinoti landscape. Asi ukatora yakaita so haikwanisa kubuda zvakanaka, kuno kuinenge isiri pa white screen, inenge ine black kuside kune black kuside kwandika. Asi ukaisa apa unopinda mu studio uri pa white screen. Ngatitaurei nezvazvo, uye paunokwanisa kuona panoitwa auto rotate screen ndokuti paya patinoisa data on and off, uye nepatinoisa alarm, uye nepatinoisa tinoita chikwe patinoisa torch. Ukatarisa ipapo pama icons ari papa ndo pane ka icon kekuti kakanzi auto rotate. Ukakaklika ikako zvinoti pese paunongochinja foni yako kudai inobva yachinjawo kuendawo pa white screen, ukaichinjawo kadzoka dai so inobva yaenda pa platform pasingakwanisa kunge tichinatsokuona zvakanaka muine mablack side. Kwanditi ngatitaure nezvazvo yeukai kuti zvatiri kutaura izvi. We have a listening president in the form of Comrade Emmerson Mnangagwa. He has said he's a listening president. So whatever you contribute and whatever you are going to say, whatever your grievances are, if they are constructively put forward, you will be able to listen. We know senior MDC members and MDC members supporters are listening. We know ZANU-PF senior members and ZANU-PF supporters are listening as well. What is it that has changed for these prodigal sons and daughters to go back to ZANU-PF? Let me go to the comments right now. Denford Chidangwara. More MDC members will join ZANU-PF. Watch this space. Yes, we will be there to watch it with you. Thank you so much for your contribution. And right, right, kwazoyawo zvakanzi Trichos Chitava kuchinja chiko vanhu vari kujoina ZANU-PF avagara vari ma-agents eZANU-PF aive mu-MDC, so now vaona kuti ku-MDC havachakwana vakunyepera kuti takutiza MDC tichienda kuZANU-PF. Even Benzi wakaribvunza kuti which party is better in Zimbabwe rinokuudza kuti ZAPU, because ZANU ibato revanhu vanozadzisa zvido zvavo kwete zvevanhu. Ndo pfungwa dzatiri kuverenga dziri kubva kuna Trichos Chitava. Avazadzise zvido zveveruzhinji. And remember kuti vanhu vari kujoina ZANU-PF now ichembere kwete mwana mudiki ane dzinofunga chaidzo. Hawajoine ZANU-PF because hakuna zviriko zvine musoro kune dzimwe. Yabva yapera. Ndio comment iri kubva kuna Chitava yanditika imi muri kutiwo kudi Chitava apa comment yakati aiwa hakuna chiri kuenda ichembere dziri kudzokera kuZANU-PF. Joe Godfrey, politics in Africa is no longer about the people. It's now a career for greedy individuals who only want to amass wealth for themselves and their cronies at the expense of the masses. That is a comment that's come from Joe Godfrey. Yes, that's your comment. Anitika Mavuso, Krug. A politics country run by those who are meant to be behind bars. Unbelievable. Mavuso, see, ndo comment yako watipateo uruku YouTube kwedu. Andika, ndivangwa kutipata waruku Facebook. Sesha itawo Chitava ndo kwa tiri ku broadcaster. Iye zvinezvi, munokwanisa kutumira comment yako. Kalusinga kutumira comment yako. Tobata ikanda kuti vanhu vazhinji vazvione kuti vasiri kuona vari kuFacebook vanoona zviri kutaurwa nevari kuYouTube, vari kuona vari kuYouTube vanoona zviri kutaurwa nevari kuFacebook. What a way to go. This is how technology has made life easy for us in the global village to be able to discuss one thing, one goal at one time. Wherever you are geographically displaced, we are able to discuss one thing that concerns us as citizens of Zimbabwe. Tiri kupfuurira mberi nekuverenga mastatements ari kubva kwamuri nemacomments ari kubva kwamuri. ZANU-PF yachinja here chakuita kuti Honorable Obed Gutu vadzokere kuZANU PF, Senator James Makore vadzokere kuZANU PF, uye Senator Lillian Timvias vadzokere kuZANU PF. Honorable Blessing Chabundo ne 500 supporters ZANU PF has gained and MDC has lost. So as we speak, as I just kuza kuti kune vaenda ku MDC vakanyarara here because there is a political promiscuity in Zimbabwe that is taking place. So we are not sure, we don't have the figures, but we want to hear from you because you are the voters, you are the people that form the constituencies, you are the people that vote them into power. Are you going to go with the Team VS? Are you going to go with Makore? Are you going to go with Chebundo to join ZANU PF? Are you going or are you following good on their voice? Iwewe kana urkuendera uchiti urkuendera chi ngatinzwei pfungwa dzenyu. Anditi so tiri isusu hatinzwei pfungwa dzenyu muchirongwa chanhasi uno. Hatidi vanhu vanozoti hatiwane mukana wokutaura vanongoita zvinhu zvavo vega. Zimbabweans, we are saying we have a listening president. He is listening to you right now. If there are any things that have not changed in ZANU PF, let's hear them. If there are things that have changed in ZANU PF, let's hear them from you, our wonderful listeners, and also political party followers and card-carrying members of your political party. What is it that you are not happy with in your party? What is it that you are happy with in your party? This is zvakanaka toda kuzvinzwa. Kana pane zvavatengwa tiudze kuti vakatengwa. Kana une umbo ungotiudzawo kuti vane umbo. Kana ZANU PF yachinja tiudzewo pauri kuona kuti yachinja. Kana isina kuchinja nongedzera kuti zvaisina kuchinja ndezvipi. Tiri muchirongwa ngatitaure nezvazvaindonzi mukoma Sly pana pane penyero yeSly Media. We are broadcasting worldwide from the heart of Zimbabwe, discussing our own issues. Mofundini Tapsula. Right. Good morning, watching from Pretoria. This move by the so-called MDC guys joining ZANU PF. These guys vakanyepera maZimbabweans for 20 years, if not 21 years. And it's said that Zimbabweans trusted this guy. Which guy are you talking about? Are you talking of Senator Makore? Are you talking of Obed Gutu? Are you talking of Honorable Blessing Chabundo? Urgrevani Tapsula. Kurisei ku Pretoria ikoko nasadi. Kunjani kuna ngale South Africa e Pretoria ntembo kuti hai liasizwa kakuhle, ntembo kuti hai liasibona kakuhle kuna ngale South Africa. Wenu ungapi vari kuona chirongwa chinechi vari kuona vari ku Facebook page never kuona vari ku YouTube. Kana usati wa subscribe tokumbirawo kuti usubscribe ku YouTube channel yedu pa Sly Media TV nekuti kune mamwe videos ari ku Sly Media TV asinambobvira ambotsika ku Facebook. Kune zvimwe zviri ku Facebook zvisinambobvira zvatsikawo ku YouTube. Saka zvese zviri pakati nepakati uye zvakare nhau munokwanisa kuverenga nhau dzakasiyana siyana. Kune ava vasingakwanisa kunge vachi downloada video or kuplaya video munokwanisa kunge muchiendawo zvakare pa website yedu. Kana mchinga masvika pa website yedu munokwanisa kuzviwanirawo imeme nhau dzinenge dziri in text dzaunokwanisa kunge uchiverenga zviri kuitika munyika mako kuti usasaririre. Tiri muchirongwa makusenana ngatitaurei nezvazvo. Thank you so much for joining Israel Zimono. I think the general population must wake up. Let's not be luggage. Dzinongoendeswa nadzo kwese kwese for an individual to gain political benefits, political prostitution for gains, political prostitution for gains. Kwane chiure ku politics nas ndarara na ningi mangwana na ningi dodzokera futi kuna ningi zvakanaka here izvozvo. Kana zvakanaka tiudzei zvazvakanakira andirika tiudzei zvazvakanakira andiri right. Israel watuona iwo uri ku Facebook. Thank you so much mwana wekwaZimuno tinotenda zvikuru kwazvo. Bernard Bento Nzombe Muchema. Yes, they are more tolerant than MDCA. Better organized and now working towards reviving the economy, including infrastructure development like power generation, roads and water bodies. For instance, they have a listening president foot. That's ZANU PF for you, and it's coming from Bernard Benton Nzombe Muchema, who is watching us live on Facebook. Nzombe Muchema. Right. Via Facebook page. It's okay for you to do that. Comment via our YouTube channel. chat platform, you can also do that. If you want to comment via video, you can be able to do that and join me in the studio this morning. My name is Mukoma Slai. Tiri pachirongwa chimwe chete chatikutaura zvinoti affecta mukati meupenyu hwedu. Vakomana vari kupenga here kuenda kuZANU-PF kana kuti vakatengwa kana kuti ipfungwa dzavo nokuti vari kugarawo pasi vachita asi takaita soul searching kuti after 21 years having formed MDC takazoona kuti hapana zvatiri kuita uye hapana kwatiri kuenda. Anditi siyabonga Kane Nkomo, I am Siyabonga Kane Nkomo. Kane Siyabonga yebo siyabona ukuthi wena nguKane umuntu osuka kwaNkomo. Yes, I'm trying right here. Joe adzoka zvakare. Our prisons are full of innocent political prisoners. The justice system, army, police, and all major financial institutions are captured by the regime. Zimbabwe is officially a banana republic, free of all opposition political prisoners. Free all oppositional political prisoners and pay them compensation for wrong imprisonment. We need new leadership. Joe Godfrey do pfungwa dzake wedzodzo marenge ne zvirikuitika muhurumende anditi vanhu vari kungosungwa vasina mhosva ngavasunungurwe kana vachinge vachiti vachinja vari kusungirei vanhu vari kutaurawo zvavanopfungwa dzavo vari mudemocratic space ndokutaurawo kwaJoe. Handiti zvirisei Joe watibataiwo uri kufacebook kwedu. Handiti tiri kutenda kuti aiwa makafollowa page makalike page redu reSly Media. Handiti right mabvuso adzoka zvakare ZANU-PF will never change. Those who are joining will be exposed. That party is on decline. They must thank COVID-19. Mafuso. As vanotenda COVID-19 kuti yaita sei. Tiudze pfungwa dzako pfuurira mberi. The space to continue to comment is still there. If you want to comment via video, you can also do that. Right. Lenimo Matambura. I'm Lenimo Matambura. You don't need to introduce your name as long as your name is on Facebook or YouTube. We'll get it straight away. We want to give you more time to write your sense or your contribution to this program this morning. So I'm Lenimo Matambura watching from Joburg. Ava vanhu vakashaya zvigaro ku MDC. Ku ZANU-PF hakuna chakachinja zvatove West. This is Lenimo who is also watching us live on Facebook. Thank you so much for your contribution. Bothwell Chakazamba. Problem iripo in all this confusion, the ordinary citizens are suffering. No one cares about citizens. Politicians are greedy. Dr. Rokwa Bothwell. Munowirirana here Dr. Rokwa Bothwell kuti politicians are greedy. Ana obeti gotoenda here ku ZANU-PF kunotsvaga mari kana kuti kunoita mari kana kuzviprotecta pane zvimwe zvinhu zvavanenge vakaita zvavanoziva kuti zvinosungisa. Iwe unofunga sei? Unoona sei? Ndimi mavoters, ndimi munoisa vanhu muparliament kuti vagadzire mitemo, ndimi muri kutsvaga development kuti munharaunda dzamuri dzive dzinobudirira. Handiti ndizvo here zviri kuitwa izvi? Vari kuenda here kunotsvaga zvigaro zvavo nemari yavo kuti ivo vanatsoguta? Nekuti ndinorangarira mwanakomana ari very vocal achitaura iye kuti ini ku ZANU-PF handidye handibve enda henyu ku MDC but ku ZANU-PF haiwa tinodya. Abuda pachena akazvitaura azvitaura zvangu zita ravo asi chamudaidza kuinterview. Handiti right ndiri kupfuurira mberi. Right comment ya Bothwell handinonge ndaisa. Handiti Chakazamba ndakunge ndaisa kuti vari ku Facebook vaone comment iyo yandika. Right Shepherd Nyamwanza, MDC is lacking direction. They are not united. If they fail to unite before they rule the country, what more if they are a ruling party and they don't know their role as an opposition party? Unity is the way to go. What has MDC did since its formation? Muvunzo Obet Gutaiti, we were advocating for some sanctions. That is what maybe they have done. That's what he has said we were doing towards the ruling party ZANU-PF. Taiti aiwa ngaisafoketwe ngairege kurarama iwo ZANU-PF ichiti ava vanhu avava ndeve regime change attend. Ivo vanhu vadzokera kuZANU-PF anga ari maagents eZANU-PF here akaplantwa kuMDC akudzoka akunzi aiwa basa ratakata kutumbai kuti munoita maambassadors mapedza madistrict MDC chidzokai kumusha mudye pension yenyu. Sekutaura kwaita mumwe arikutaura kuti vanhu ava vanhu vakuru hapana mwana mudiki ari kudzoka. Vanhu here vakanga vatumwa kunoita basa. Tinoda kutonzwa mafungiro enyu. Handitika tinoda kunzwa kuti imi muri kufunga sei uyewo pfungwa dzenyu makanangana nezvatiri kutaura izvi pfungwa dzenyu dziri papi ndi munovhota handiti rekati modzokerawo kune zviri kutaurawo ivo vacho vakabva ku-MDC vachienda ku-ZANU-PF. Comrade Chebundo said the main opposition in Zimbabwe was divided. MDC as an opposition party is now 21 years old, but we realized we were not going anywhere in the opposition. That's what he said, speaking to newzimbabwe.com. He said we were not going anywhere. He continues to say, for the past 3 years since President Mnangagwa has been in power, there has been a noticeable change. We have seen maturity and wisdom in the leadership of the country. Do you agree with Comrade Chebundo? Do you agree with him? Right. He continues to say, I have moved from MDC to ZANU-PF in search for solutions. I want to be part of the solutions, not to be part of the problem. We discovered that there is need to be part of the solution and not as a part of the problem. Do you agree with him? What's your contribution this morning if you're watching us from YouTube or if you're watching us from our Facebook platform? Right. He also who is giving us this comment, by the way. Right, this one is coming from Obed Gotu's statement when he defected from MDC to ZANU-PF. This is what he says. MDC became increasingly reactionary by playing to the whims and fantasies of the chief financiers, the white farmer, commercial farmers, the white former commercial farmers, as well as powerful Western countries who poured millions of dollars into MDC. He was pointing his finger to the former white commercial farmers after the land redistribution program. The white farmers, he said, went on to sponsor MDC by pouring in millions of dollars. Do you agree with that? So they were a puppet of the white farmers, so to speak, like what ZANU-PF has always said, and they are on the record of saying ZANU-PF, MDC are the puppet of the West. And here we are listening and hearing from primary evidence from the people who were in the MDC, who were also advocating for sanctions and also being sponsored by white former commercial farmers in Zimbabwe. He goes on to say, some power-hungry and unprincipled individuals had found it fit and proper and to unconstitutionally usurp power even before the late Tsvangirai's body had been removed from the mortuary in South Africa. This is what they are saying about the MDCA leader, Advocate Nelson Chamisa. This is what Obed Gutu is saying about his former leader. He goes on to say, after reaching my Damascene movement regarding sanctions, I could no longer associate with a political party that effectively propagates and lobbies for the continued imposition of these evil satanic sanctions. That's what Obed Gutu says. He goes on to say, instead of mobilizing and effectively growing their support based on the ground, opposition political parties are busy being swayed or fascinated by social media popularity and activism. MDC is also on record that it's difficult to penetrate the rural areas because the rural community are always being given something as a token to buy their vote by the ruling party. So it's difficult to penetrate. And they've also said the Zimbabwe, the government has also planted its army and its agencies in the rural areas to see who want to support the opposition in terms of reversing the gains of the land, because that's where the major issue is located. The land issue affects the people that are in the rural areas, and it is being protected jealously. Right. He goes on to say, this is Obed Gutu's statement, few people are able to tolerate the ongoing erosion of internal democratic practices within the MDC's various formations. Many supporters are completely disgruntled and totally disillusioned. Ndozviri kutaurwa rakatimbodzokera kuma comments ari kubva kwamuri ndimi varidzi vechirongwa. Let's go to the new comments. You've just joined us. We are saying, has ZANU-PF changed? Zvaita kuti vanhu vachinje vachienda kunojoina ZANU-PF. Anditi kana muri kutibata muri kuFacebook kana muri kubata muri kuYouTube munokwanisa kukomenta via a video link mupinda straight mu studio tokuisa vanhu ruzhinji vokuona ichiso muchikomenta. Anditi tofarira vanhu kuti kana vachinge vapinda vanoya vachitaurawo vachionekwa chiso kuti wapinda futi wobva wahaita unenge uchiwande chi. Right, Jeremiah Sigauke hanzizvo vanga vari vatengesi. Do in short, 2 words, vanga vari vatengesi vanga vauya kuMDC saka it's good riddance on the part of MDC. Tozvireva zvinhu izita remadunhiro here kana ndiri kuzvarwa naro kana ndikaenda paikokeshi zita rako ndinoriwanawo here handina pati but chamisa chaanovimbisa chine musoro chi kunze kwekupa varungu nyika topwanyirwa dzimba. Ndomapfungwa dzacho zvireva zvinhu ari kutoona ari paFacebook anditika Michelle Kadau hongu vanga vari vatengese. That's another contribution as well from Michelle Kadau ari kuti vane vanga vari vatengese ari kutsigirana naJeremiah Sigauke. Ichokwadi here kuti vanga vari vatengese tsigira zvaunotaura anditi Kadau tinzwe kuti pfungwa dzako dzakamira sei. Anditi right, Clemens Chapfunya, ma-elections ngaitwe mangwana, then the world will see who is who. Wakamira kupi buda pachena sha Clemens Chapfunya uri kutoona uri kuFacebook buda pachena ndio pfungwa dzako dzawapa. Anditi kasi buda pachena kuti who is who. Tinzwe kuti zvakamira 1-1 uri kunatsotaura ani chaiye. Anditi atiri kuwandana munwe tikutaura zvinhu zvinoti affecta isusu sevana vemunhu muZimbabwe uye semavoters. Anditi tinoda kuzwa kuti pfungwa dzenyu dzakamirawo sei marenge nezviri kuitika on this exodus of senior members coming from MDC to join ZANU-PF. Has ZANU-PF changed is the main reason, because the formation of MDC was all because ZANU-PF was not good at all for the voters, was not good to run the country, are some of the things that they have highlighted since the formation from 1999. Bright Mbakwa vari kujoina ZANU-PF vari kutsvaga mari nekutiza kuti vasasungwa sezvokuzanu kuchichengetwa mbavha. That's his comment. Bright Mbako watibuona uri kuFacebook iwo anditika mofundini, the young people of Zimbabwe will rise above. At the same time, I'm glad that some old dogs have gone out to pave way for the new generation of new people. Want to hear your comments with your contribution, what you think about the defection of senior opposition members to joining ZANU-PF. Is it because the MDC yaora kana kuti ZANU-PF yachinja? Kana yachinja chicha yachinja MDC kana yakaora chicha yakaora. And right, Clemens Chapfunya dzoka zvakare, good to stop your nonsense, enjoy your benefits, but tell you what, you will now know ZANU-PF soon. Azoenda hako asi chenjera uriko tichakuonera tichakunzwira. Ndo pfungwa dza Clemens Chapfunya. Anditika imi muri kufungwa kuti kudi Clemens apa pfungwa dzake kweyo pfungwa dzako ndedzipi. Right, Joe, this good lad will go the same way as Energy Mutodi. Watch this space. ZANU-PF chioro domatauriro ajofura kuenderera mberi. Anditi Obed Gomerai, Obed Gutu is no longer relevant in Zimbabwean politics. Same applies to those who have defected to ZANU-PF. They are litigants, not politicians. That's the comment coming from Obed Gomerai, who's watching us live on Facebook. Elvis Makwaza, Chamisa is being vindicated. Continue to expand your comment. Elvis, thank you so much. You're watching us live from our Facebook. Yes, continue as well to encourage people to come and watch this program by sharing this live broadcast, and also like our page, Sly Media TV or Sly Media Productions. Thank you so much, Elvis Makwaza. Webster Goredema, defectors to ZANU-PF are not going with the narrow supporters. Demlut. Right, the website. Thank you so much. You're watching us live from Facebook. Did you follow our Facebook page? We have a lot of people that are watching, over 1 million that are watching, but we only have 219,000 followers. But we have videos that surpass those numbers that are on our screen. Please follow our page so that you support us just by liking. The numbers means a lot to us. We use those numbers to show the supporters, to show the potential sponsors that we have a following. And for real, we have following because we have got videos that have been watched. There are over 20 million, that are over 10 million views. We can't have 200,000 people repeating the same videos until it comes to 20 million. It's ridiculous. It's practically impossible. We don't cook these statistics, but YouTube has got an automatic counter that counts people that visit. So as website, it's practical. It's there. This engine for Facebook has got what we call a clever mind. So it will be able to continuously give you those statistics. And follow our page. Follow our page. It will help us bring our sponsors on board. And when sponsors come on board, we're able to buy cameras, we're able to buy we're able to buy microphones, we're able to buy lights and TV and cars to use, and use fuel as well to travel around as we gather news. That's the support we only need from you, our wonderful listeners from YouTube and Facebook. Just like and follow and subscribe to our Facebook pages and the YouTube channel. Tafara Bandambav. Those guys are traitors. Their ideas are now outdated and vakutotsvaga mari kuretirement vari kuZANU-PF. Ndo maonero Tafara BD Bandambabvu. Anditi what ari kutoona ari kuFacebook. Munowirirana naye here pane zvaari kuona. Remember, kana uchangoti joina, tiri kuti isusu unokwanisa kucomment not only by writing and forwarding a text to us, but you can also comment via a video link wherever you are. Just click the link that I'm posting on both platforms, which is the Facebook and also the YouTube. Click that link which is written in StreamYard. You'll be able to join us in the studio, and you can only join us nicely on a wide screen if you join us with your selfie video on a landscape like this, not like this. When it is like this, it comes up with a letterbox on both sides, left and right, so we won't be able to see you clearly on a wide screen. Please continue to forward your comments so that we get to know what you think, because you are the voters, you are the constituents, you are the masses of Zimbabwe. Has ZANU-PF changed? Is our topic. Why are people moving from MDC going to ZANU-PF? If you have just joined us, that's the topic this morning. Honorable Obed Gutu has joined ZANU-PF. Senator James Makore has also joined ZANU-PF, and they're also gone, the two of them, to meet the president. So as Honorable Blessing Chebundo, together with Senator Lillian Timvias, they have been to see the president, and the president has welcomed them and saying, welcome home. You are our prodigal sons and prodigal daughters. Has ZANU-PF changed? Is MDC in disarray? Is it disintegrating? We want to hear from you, the supporters. We also hear from the reporters that in Kwekwe, when Honorable Chebundo was addressing members of the ZANU-PF, he also brought with him about 500 supporters. Are you the 500 supporters? Let's hear what you have to say if you are going and if you cross the floor with your leader, Honorable Chebundo, there in Kwekwe. Right, toenda kuma comments zvekare ndimaridzi vechirungu tinonzwa zvamunotaura, handitika handisiri ndiri kufanira kunge ndichitaura, imimi ndimunofanira kunge muchitaura. Tafadzwa mutazo. Mukoma nyama yaora ndinoi handizvo mukoma nyama yaora ndo inomhanyirwa nenhonzi zhinji. Mukoma tafadzwa mutazi, ndo contribution yako. Ukureva here kuti ZANU-PF yaora ndo iri kumhanyirwa nevazhinji, kukana ku-MDC kuine masupporters akawanda. Toti here MDC yakaora. Can you clarify on that one? Further post your comment if you are still there and if you still have something to say. Max Burrich, ZANU-PF has changed for the West. He has a wrong, strong attitude. Defectors are either bought or simply were planted and were never genuine. So they have not rejoined, but they've always been ZANU-PF. That's what Max is saying. And right, click the link which is written StreamYard, and you'll be able to join us live via a video link wherever you are watching us from. Right, Obet Goberai, we had Sekesai Makwavarara and Gabriel Chaiva, among others, who joined ZANU-PF from MDC. But where are they now? political dustbins, history is repeating itself. Obet Goverai, that's what he is saying. And that's what he is saying. Right. If you click on also on our on these platforms, if you see this link which I put on the screen, you can't click the one on the screen. No, it's not possible. But the ones that are posted on the comment section, you'll be able to join us via a video link and contribute your positive or constructive criticism in Zimbabwe. Tukuti atlike kutukana pana nongotaura mashoko asina basa anongoda kungo azvina musoro kana kuti ngavape ngavaende tinoda kudzwa kuti kana vachiti ngavaende vabude mupawa vanofana kubudira chi. Obet Goverai, thank you so much for your contribution. I took it before the reading is done. Let me put it back right. Mavuso, see Mavuso, the whole lot of ZANU-PF should be locked up. So you're saying more prisons should be built so that ZANU-PF's hierarchy, or together with ZANU-PF supporters, should be sent to prison. So this country can become automatically a prison because we can't put them in the prison, all of them. It's practically impossible. Utaura leadership chetere kana kuti urikutaura ani ndopfungwa dza Mavuso. I'm not manufacturing comments. Is watching us live on our YouTube channel. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing this broadcast. Let's continue to share this broadcast and get to hear what other people are saying as well. Right, Nero Makubaza, sorry, Elvis Makubaza Adzoka. My apologies, Elvis. I wanted to read your statement and then I merged that with your surname. Right, but your statement reads, Nero supporters are growing with each day passing. The moment you engage ZANU-PF, you are done. The political terrain of Zim politics doesn't need a GNU set up. It needs a complete overhaul. So there is nothing good that comes out of uniting with the ZANU-PF, but radical confrontation and remove this bloodsucker. And remove this bloodsucker. Yes, thank you, Elvis Makubaza, for your contribution. We value your comments, and whatever you say is right in your own respect. Our responsibility is to read what you are saying, not necessarily in agreement with you. I'm just here as a journalist who is trying to give you space to air your thinking so that the listening president will also listen to you. And if MDC leadership is also listening, they can also listen to you. If ZANU-PF leadership are listening, they also be listening to your contribution. We don't find time and space to go to State House to speak to President Mnangagwa, but I know and I believe that his supporters and also his hierarchy watch this platform, so they'll be taking notes and taking them to the listening president. And I know MDC supporters are watching as well. They will take notes and also take them to their president and their hierarchy. We are continuing to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching live here on Sly Media TV. You continue, Elvis, by saying history has shown us when you go to ZANU-PF, you are in a dustbin. What is a dustbin? Someone, can you give me a definition for a dustbin? Nicole Chaita, you're watching us from Botswana via our YouTube channel. Have you subscribed? Thank you if you have done so. If you have not, please subscribe to our channel. We are now on 50,000 followers. We want to reach 100,000 in a month. Is possible because we have videos that are well over 50,000 views. It shows that there are so many people that watch our channel. We cannot say people repeat a video that has got 2 hours and we see the numbers. It's practically impossible. Yes, Big Mike, hello. Hello newo hello yako Big Mike. Zviri say what about uri kutuza kuti wataona uri ku Facebook anditika comment yako ndio iri pa screen. Henry Manzwi Mbiri, it is their democratic right, let them join a part of their choice. I am with Nero. That's your contribution, Henry. What about uri ku Facebook, uri kuona uri ku Facebook anditika Joe adzoka zvekare free Marco Marco, Joanna, Cecilia, and all political prisoners. They are not criminals. That's your contribution this morning. Thank you so much for joining us and to continue to contribute to this discussion. I have Elvis. Elvis, thank you so much for joining us. Let me invite Elvis to come and comment. Yes, his video is on a wide screen. Can you put your video on a wide screen like this? And up auto rotate this seven. And up auto rotate. And up my set this seven. Hapana chakashata. And up phone pako click up pa menu apa opo waenda kuma settings. Ukasika kuma settings pane pakanzo auto rotate. Iri padhuze nepaipa unoisa flashlight.
All right.
We want to learn to do the good things with this technology. Kana zvaramba unodzoka wakadaro titaure nezvenyaya yako handiti but ndandakutora mukana wekuti aiwa nditaure because you are an added contributor to our channel here. Yes. Wakafunda iwe. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you very well.
Thank you so much, Elvis. My apologies. I called you Nero before.
And
what's your contribution to today? We have been posting and people are now seeing the face of you here. What's your contribution? And let me also put something that you have written here. This is part of your contribution. What do you want to say this morning?
No, regaindichise muchikaranga chamai. Maonero andozviita ndekuti vana mukoma vanonzi vana naObert Guchwa vana Obert Gutwa nana Chebundo. You must remember kuti pakatanga alliance ndeyatsvangirai, and if it was possible kana kuti tatine confidence nana Ngonzora, we could have seen Ngonzora pa picture during my negotiations alliance. And kana mchina toziva in the circles chaivo pakupedzisira tsvangirai pa meetings akaitwa Kwekwe. Nelson Chamisa, he told the closed guys kuti akumana shandai nemukomana wepanyaya alliance. But nekuda kwezvinhu zvakaitika mazuva achifamba zvinhu zvimwe mozati vanhu vanoita zvinhu zvakasiyana siyana nenguva zvichienderana nezviri kuitika panguva iyoyo. Vakomana vakaona kuti hatisina kana do, hatisina chance mufana kuti atamurika 2014, but now adzoka zvine power. Asi chokwadi ndechekuti vanhu even 2014 yo vanhu vaingoda Chamisa. People were surprised with what happened kuti Ngonzora apinda. All right, back to my issue. Vanhu vanonzi vana Gutu anga asina chake, hapana munhu aimuda Gutu. Ndiani aimuda? Chero akaenda kuZANU-PF anoenda nani?
Mhenoka kuti anoenda nani because ane supporters aimuteerawo kwaakanga ariko.
Vangani, do you remember the last 2 or 3 akangeta 2 if not 3 marallies paaikupidza last election 2018 akatora anhu angani? Because it doesn't matter vanhu vanouya parally kana vanhu vanouya parally yeku display kuti ta defect ataenda kuZANU-PF, you never know them. Hamazivi kuti vanovhota here kana kuti havavhoti. Ngatitarise zvakaitika 2018 ndo patinowana chaizvo.
Chii chakaitika 2018?
Tichida mavhoti avo kakuti toda iwayo mavhoti wayo ndo atinoda kuti vaenda nawo kuZANU-PF. Kana tikatora mavhoti Obert Gutu akaita 2018 toti aenda nawo kuZANU-PF. Secondly, totora mavhoti akaitwa na Chebundo toti aenda nawo kuZANU-PF. It's fine. Totora mavhoti aTeam Viewers toti akaenda nawo kuZANU-PF. Hapana kana problem. But chatinoziva ndechekuti currently ngatizarurirei vanhu vakaita sana Ngonzora vondoita rally yavo tomboona kuti vanotisvitsa papi. Toda kuona zvavanounza vanhu vavanounza and the morale parally iyoyo tichida kuiona kuti vanhu vanenge vachiti kudii. Currently MDC Alliance havana kugara, vari kumanya vari kupinda mumakona. I mean South Africa izvezvi ndiri kuvanzwa vari kungofamba, though I don't join them zvangu for my personal reason. asi tovaona everyday vari kufamba-famba, but vanhu vamonzora toda kuvaonawo kuti vari kufamba-famba vari kupi.
Okay. Pasina vanhu zviri kureva kuti chii?
Havana vanhu vacho vanovaona kupi. Ndandiri kumusha kwangu kuita
pakavhotera Senator Monzora ndiani? Kana uchiti havana vanhu?
Vanhu vanofamba, mazati zvinoitika manje paterrain mazazi andambokomenda kumashure zvinoitika neterrain yepolitics. The people they follow my institutions, kwete individuals. So the institution of MDC, as I know it, MDC as a whole, MDC kwete kuti MDCT cannot MDC as a whole. Therefore, from the formation until today, vanhu havana kurashika, vanozviziva kuti in the struggle taifamba nani. In the struggle, who is genuine, who is after his belly. Vanhu vanozviziva, vanhu havana kupusa stereki.
Okay. Iwo chikonzero chako usingavajoine veMDC nyange wachiviga zvako ko imwe pati yaunosapota iwo ndeipi iri kuita zvine musoro?
No, inini MDC Alliance inotungamirwa naChamisa ndo the real deal. Ndo inounza, ndo yandoona ingatounze kununurwa kwevana veZimbabwe. Hapana mumwe ED has been there. So many scandals. Besides ED and Chamisa, there's no one that we can talk about in politics.
Ko ipapa panyaya yemascandal ipapa tiri kuona kuti iyo ZANU-PF ine zvairi kuita in terms of corruption. I don't have the figure right now, but we have read in the newspapers that they are gaining ground in terms of getting back the money that was banked in foreign banks out of the country. What do you have to say about that?
They are gaining ground in doing corruption. They are gaining ground in doing nepotism. They are gaining ground in doing everything that you can think of. This is instead of a new dispensation, instead of freeing all political prisoners, they are continuing arresting opposition figures. Saka chicha vari kuita chatingati the new dispensation chatinoona kwavari chi
vane vachitioka
makomborero harizipishe. I read in the news Mako is he was convicted, he's waiting for a sentence, but isu tine mutemo unototaura kuti aiwa kana ndisiri kufara nezviri kuitwa nehurumende ndine kodzero yekutaura paruzhinji kuti izvi havisiri izvo zvatinoda.
Yes, ndidzo pfungwa dzako.
Handina here kodzero dzekutaura kuti izvi zviri kuitika nehurumende handizviitizvo. Handina here kodzero dzekutaura
asi matauriro because vari kuti MDC is on record of demonstrating violently and destroying property in Zimbabwe.
Record nezvinenge zvichiitika zvakasiyana. Kana zvakaitika zuro hazvire kuti ndozvaitika nhasi.
Okay, yes. Pfuurira mberi kana pane zvimwe zvauda kucontribute.
Kana ndine zvandakaita 20 years ago ndozvandingova ndiitira nhasi.
Amenoka.
Ndizvo here.
Ameno toda kutonzwa pfungwa dzako iwo wauda kutointerviewa inini. Elvis,
handichanatsi kunzwa.
That ndikatonzwa kubva kunewe kuti taapapi uye tiri kuenda kupi, ZANU yachinja here uye MDC kana iri kugona iri kugona chii kana itadza chii, but iwo unoona chavanotadzawo chii.
Kana ndine record, should I be a victim of the past?
Yes, I don't think so. You cannot be a victim of the past.
Handichanzwa manje kuti muri kuti chii.
Nofunga network inenge iriku yakuenda. But however, thank you so much for your contribution and being the first viewer today to join us via our video link. Yes, the network is now jealousy. We were hearing from Elvis Makubaza, who is watching us from South Africa via our Facebook page. We continue to read your comments. And Mary Stanford Ndlovu, tafadzwa mutasa ngofarira shona yako wena kutaura kuno vari kumhanya vakabata sauti. Ndi Mary Stanford Ndlovu anzi tafadzwa mutasa ngangofarira shona yako wena kutaura kuno vari kumhanya vakabata sauti. Zviri kureva kuti kune vanhu vari kumhanya vakabata sauti kuZANU-PF here vachiti nyama yapadhuze yavhikwa. Handisi kuziva kuti uri kureve chii ipapo handiti. Jelite Media, the honest truth is MDCA have no clue how to dislodge ZANU-PF. That's your contribution. You're watching us live on YouTube. Right, Emmanuel Nyakonda, there is no space for democracy anymore. Why do you say that? Can you expand your comment, Emmanuel Nyakonda? Please continue to write what you think about the opposition political members that are going to join ZANU-PF. Unity Damakatsu, Haita, I am from Limpopo, no criminals. Dr. Rokwakeko, Sitole, Angoti, MXM, I don't know what that means. Initi rewechiwa kudhara ka initi suve chikurukuru ari kutaurwa atinotoziva kuti zvine zvichirevechi munatidzidzisawo munonyora in full mobva mati in brackets zvinoreva zvakati pamwe tozopedzisa takuverenga zvinhu zvinonyadzisira panapo SMS yakatidarika isi takatanga kurarama kusati kwane mafoni kusati kwane short message services. Right, Albert Mofa, but one claims to be a former Mujiba. How can a Mujiba be accommodated by MDC Alliance? MDC Alliance, MDCT, whatever it is. Right. Obet kuti aitaura paaitwa interview na Blessed Mhlanga akataura kuti indakanga ndiri Mujiba uyo pa statement yaakanyora ndiri Mujiba takatirara kumapungu tichiimba tichidaidai kadi akanga ainaro atozati handisi kuziva kuti riri paiye zvinezvi asi mazuva anotiwo ndakanga ndisati kunatsinzwisisa kuenda politics asi iye zvinezvi ndakura. I've got the tools to measure as a yardstick what's happening in ZANU-PF MDC. He also regrets all the advocacy for sanctions against the ruling party. Emmanuel Nyakonda, that's democracy. That's your other comment, right? Forget Bachi, one government, one system. What are you trying to say? Can you expand your comment? Forget Bachi. You're watching us live on Facebook. Thank you so much. I continue to urge you to like our page and follow our page. We use those numbers to show that we have got so many followers other than the 219,000 that are following us right now. We are 3 years old. We are Sly Media Productions, registered online broadcaster in Zimbabwe. We are an authentic broadcaster, right? Emmanuel Nyakonda, those joining ZANU-PF are being coerced and some are refusing. He's expanding the comment that says that's democracy. Those joining ZANU-PF are being coerced and some are refusing. Right. Thank you so much for your contribution. You are watching us on Facebook. Emmanuel continues to say human rights abuses have to go to the roof or have to the roof. Natsonyorai kuti mo statement yenyu mune muchida kuti remember, you can also comment via our video section on this platform. Right, click that link that I've posted on our chat. Then you can be able to join us via a video on a landscape so that we'll be able to see you. My name is Mukoma Sly. We are broadcasting from the heart of Zimbabwe. Please let us know what you think about the people that are leaving MDC to go and join ZANU-PF. Right, and there is also a statement that came from the president, Comrade Emerson Mnangagwa. He says they have decided to join ZANU-PF. He said this when Senator James Makore and Obet Gutu went to State House to meet him for the first time after defecting from MDC. Right, he said they have decided to join ZANU-PF. They are both from Midlands Province, where I also come from. This is when Tim Vias and also Blessing Chebundo came. You forgive me for that one. Right, where I also come from. they come to say toda kudzoka kumusha ndiko kuzanu PF, we want to come back home. This is what the president said when he was welcoming them to ZANU PF as a party, right? That's what the president said about the people that are joining. But however, the viewers are also in disagreement. They are saying they have just been with the ZANU PF ever since, because they were planted by MDC to go and destroy MDC, and they have done that, and they are back to their country or place of residence, like an ambassador who goes out of the country to represent a country, and then after their service they come back home. That's why we call former ambassador for China. Right, Tinashe Tintin Karmazondo, divide and conquer, quite a historic strategy for ZANU PF. All people defecting to ZANU PF have the defection DNA with cowardice as the main symptom. What is trying to say here, Tinashe, is they moved from ZANU PF, went to help and form MDC T, and then they went to MDC Alliance, some of them, and then they went to ZANU PF, which is in its own sense political prostitution, which has been happening in their pattern and behavior since their political career, from when we started to know them. Tinashe Karmazondo, divide and conquer, quite a historic strategy for ZANU PF. All these people defecting to ZANU PF have the defection DNA with cowardice and as the main symptom. That's the contribution from Tinashe. If you want to comment via the video link, you can also do that. We have a video conference platform where we can invite a lot of people to talk and discuss the same issues via the comment section, also via the video link. We are able to do that. And if you have got burning issues, you are from MDC, you are a leader in MDC, you are a leader in ZANU PF, and you want to speak on your behalf or representing the political party, please get in touch with us via our inbox, whether on YouTube or on Facebook. Our numbers are there. They are visible for everyone to see. Blessing destroyed Obed Gutu or exposed him. Can you expand, Karen John Mangwiro, on your statement? What do you mean by saying Obed Gutu exposed him? Blessing was destroyed by Obed Gutu. Is that what you are trying to say by exposing? These two people have joined the ZANU PF, and your statement is not straightforward. I don't know what exactly you are trying to say. Please expand your comments so that we'll get to know what you are saying. Let me take a short commercial break.
Welcome to Azambezi River Lodge, Victoria Falls. Nestled on the banks of the mighty Zambezi River, right on the edge of the national park, Azambezi occupies the most unique and finest spot with the tranquility and seclusion every traveler seeks.
That's Edma Fashions for you. They are situated here in Harare, in Belvedere, along Bishop Gao at the Big B Mall, close to those churches that are near Dairy Board at the corner of Tangwena and also Bishop Gao. Just as you pass from the copy, when you pass the Zupco Depot, if you go past that traffic light, you'll be able to see on your right hand side the Big B Mall where there is a shop which is called Choppies. You can also go there. Kana une weakness yekuchena anditika varipo vanowanika mune mbatya dzakanaka zvikuru kwazvo zokuti newewo kana une weakness yekuchena uchida mucheno uri unique wakasiyana one vamwe isiri gunda musaira unodziwanawo ipapo. Pane promotion iri kuranwa neAzambezi Lodge. Ngaitinzwe mashoko anotevera.
Welcome to Azambezi River Lodge, Victoria Falls. Nestled on the banks of the mighty Zambezi River, right on the edge of the national park, Azambezi occupies the most unique and finest spot with the tranquility and seclusion every traveler seeks. Each of its well-appointed rooms is either garden or river facing, allowing you to soak in the serenity of the environment. The award-winning restaurant Amlonga offers delectable cuisine, which includes our famous high teas. To explore Victoria Falls from this fine location, book any of our packages now. Azambezi River Lodge. Relax, refresh, replenish.
Right, they are running a promotion right now. If you stay at Azambezi Lodge, pay for 2 nights and enjoy the 3rd night absolutely free. Single bed and breakfast. They are offering that at Azambezi, right? If you wanted to know more about what they are offering for the bed and breakfast for single, you can click that link which is on top, and also you can click the link which is below if you want a double bed and breakfast. Click that link and follow their pages. And Azambezi River Lodge and ndo mashoko avari kutaurawo ayo ari kuscrolla pasi pe-screen up. Gaindise pa-screen kune vamwe vari kunogona kutadza kunge vachiona small text. Ndo zviri kuitika izvozvo zvanditika. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm going back to the comment, but if you want to advertise here on Sly Media TV, you can get in touch with Robert on the numbers that are on the screen. And if you also want to book a live streaming, we are able to do that anywhere in Zimbabwe. We have been to every province in Zimbabwe live streaming. We are tried and trusted for corporate events. Remember, if you are not streaming with Sly Media TV, you are talking to yourself. The reasons why sometimes you call journalists to come and have give them a press conference, a press statement, and all the other things is for them to go and amplify and tell the whole world what you are thinking, what you are doing, and the service, goods and services that you are offering. But if you do it in video format, it happens instantly. We can also facilitate Zoom meetings where somebody in the United Kingdom or in America can address people who are gathered at the HICC, at Rainbow Towers, at Holiday Inn. We offer that facility like you are in the same room. We have state-of-the-art equipment to be able to do that here on Sly Media. 3 years in the business. We have a profile. We have done everything except nothing. Remember, we are also the first online TV in Zimbabwe to give you cricket in Bulawayo for 5 days. Cricket in Zimbabwe versus West Indies, live on our Facebook platform in 2017, thereabout. 5 days non-stop. We are tried and trusted. We are not speaking of something that we have not done. We can do that. We have hosted Miss Zimbabwe, and before we have hosted some music launches. Before we have done everything except nothing in the industry of online TV. Behind the scenes, we also do documentaries, corporate videos. We also do that. For news in text, you can also log on to our website, which is on our screen, slymedianews.com, slymedianews.com. If you also have news, you can also contact us via the numbers that are on our Facebook page and also the numbers that are available on our YouTube channel. But my plea to you, for us to be able to continue and to exist and continue to buy state-of-the-art equipment and high-quality cameras, we need your support. What is the support that we want from you? Just go to our pages and follow us on Facebook today. Follow us today. That's what we want. If you are a genuine viewer who has got sympathy with our growth, so that we continue to give you news in good format. What do I mean by that? In high definition, in 4K. We want to upgrade our systems. How do we do that? When we have numbers, we go to the potential advertisers and sponsors to say we have the numbers that follow us. Please come and advertise with us. They will come because there'll be statistics to prove that. But however, many of us are not subscribing to our YouTube channel. We are now at 50,000. We want to reach 500,000. We want to reach 1 million on Facebook. That's a fact. We have 1 million, more than 1 million followers that follow us. I'm always on record and saying we have got 10 million views on some of the videos on our Facebook channel, on our YouTube channel. We have 20 million viewers on our Facebook channels. We have viewed some of the videos on our page. That means we have people that are following us, and when you muka like a page, muka follow a page, Yes Live Media, we are done. We are done. We know you are there. We started with you long back. Munotisiva isusu tale nenguwawo tichishanda pamachete. Zita ndonzo mukoma slide ramurugona pama screens. Reka dzokere kwaridzive chirongwa tinzwe ma comments ari kuburitswa zvekare nevanhu. Right. Tutangira panani. Ndapedzera panani sumudzai maoko. Right. Okay. Tangata panapa Carrington Mangwiro blessing destroyed Obed Gutu exposed him. Emmanuel Nyakonda, they said they were criminals surrounding Mugabe. Where are they? That's a question to the new dispensation. Where are the criminals that you said they were around the former president, Comrade Robert Mugabe? This is your democratic space to be able to speak to the listening president. Thank you so much for your contribution. We hope they are listening and they will take this note to our president, Comrade Emerson Mnangagwa, the leader of the new dispensation. Next stage, Chavunduga, Pakaipa. Aikash, papi food, panapa. Don't end ramberi. Unakwenda ramberi ndakuverenga imwe imwe statement iri panapa yakatirebereka tunoti inokwana. Kandi apatsa ndaiverenga. Chekundo started hunting with salt in his pocket. Mukanwa modokwaira. Akuti shanduko yanonoka asingazive kuti oputsa chirongo wasvika. Enda ikoko asi mucharegwa ikoko. Nyaya yamatanga kubuda mu new model muchienda ku old model muchatsemuka mabhuruka muchienda kunogadzira muri pasi pemota, muchienda kuwagadzira muri pasi pemota. Zisco auone kuti aidi kupaparika kwauri kuita. Asi unozota angati Zisco is a company or angati Zisco, I don't know, maybe is the Ramon. All right, okay, mazita ema company. Anzizo Zisco auone kuti aidi kupaparika kwauri kuita. Sebul's chemical industry, they need serious investment for the people to get jobs. Apa maturity yatadza kushanda. Don't talk of maturity when you cannot. The comment, yes, go pay up a comment section. That's what's coming from Mary Stanford. Thank you so much for watching us live on Facebook. I hope you followed our page. Carrington Mangwiro says no blessing of heart and soul held 1-to-1 with Obed Gutu when questioned him. Right, okay. He's speaking of the interview that Obed Gutu had with Obed Gutu. No blessing of heart and soul held a 1-to-1 with Obed. He questioned him on everything he said regarding MDC and Obed Gutu could answer or give a straight question. Obed Gutu didn't deny he was in ZANU-PF. He was a ZANU-PF card holder before MDC. Akatoti card racho riripo somewhere. It's on records. Shukutara Carrington Mangwiro akatuka tripo sakutara artochoro akangarichi akangogara angoriko ku ZANU-PF. Right, dasara ne minutes mangana. Dasara ne 10 minutes, 8 minutes kutipedza andika. Right. Right, Shepherd Nyamwanza abati kiki ndo vakamanyisa ana Jonathan Moyo nana Kasuku ere na Gire. Vapiko utara nyaya ipi taura nyaya kutara new dispensation and right, and ndo vakamanyisa vana Jonathan Moyo nana Kasuku ere nana Gire. Right, Shepherd Nyamwanza zvanzizvo ndo vakamhanyisa ana Grace Kasukuere and Jonathan Moy. Okay, wadzokorera statement anditi Carrington uchiripo apa, thank you so much for your contribution and thank you so much for being able to join us using your precious bundles. We value that, and we also value that we will continue to bring you quality studio talk shows here on Sly Media. More are coming. We have just been derailed by the COVID-19 lockdown, where we had planned to do so many things here in Zimbabwe concerning our coverage of stories in Zimbabwe. But however, tinotenda Mwari kuti zvakuenda zvichinopera. Nekudaro tinotenda zvikuru kwazvo kuti zvikapera aiwaka ndosaka tiri kuti subscribe hai uye nekufollowa mapages edu nekuonawo mavideo edu zvinoitawo kuti isusu tikwanise kunge tichiwedzera zviwanikwa zvedu nezvishandwa zvedu zvatinenge tichifana kunge tichishandisa ma 4K cameras uye nema streaming gears state of the art tigone kuramba tichiita zvinoita kuti muwane news. Those that are in diaspora and those that are in Zimbabwe, this is our appeal from Sly Media. We are also saying if you want to advertise, you can also get in touch with us on the number that is on your screen, and you can talk to Robert and get to tell him what you want from us as Sly Media. For breaking news, remember to read more stories from our Facebook and our YouTube and our website, which is slymedianews.com. slymedianews.com. I did. Thank you so much. There's also news from the social media where someone exposed what is happening at the border. What he exposed to us is as follows in this video. If you also have a video that you can send on WhatsApp or email, you can also email it to slymediastreaming@gmail.com. I'll write that. In the meantime, regatimboona video yezvakaitika kuborder. Corruption iri kupedzwa, vanga vachismagula via buses. The time is on.
Mkuru zvakamira sei ndozviri pani izvi. Onai zvakaitika panapa. Onai zvakaitika panapa mundarata atorerwa zvinhu zvese. Bhazi riri kusiyiwa risina chinhu. Bhazi riri kuflota zvinhu zvese. Iyi Delta yangu bless it up iyi takauflota zvinhu zuro saka takiitwa mapepa. Bhazi rasiziwa. Then zvinhu zvese zvasizwa izvi zvinhu izvi. Zvimwe zviri mukati, zvinhu zvese mukati zvakazara. Bhazi rasiziwa. Saka vari kuti izvo zvipa zvinhu zvatorwa zvasizwa, asi panofanira kuzonyorwa tsamba. Azononyora tsamba. Mabhazi esa 850 jamu ari kumberi wana nomena. Anofanira kuzonyora tsamba, ukanyora tsamba wozokupindura, but zvikunzi after kana 1 week. Kana wazopindura then kwakuzota sei? Kwakuzodhikira full duty, and full duty yechinhu chauinacho plus 100% fined. Ndomamiriro akaita zvinhu.
Yes, thank you so much. That's it. That is what is happening. Kana uchinge wabatwa utonzi uchaita, you are given a chance to declare again those things, it means you would have smuggled. That is what is killing this country. Corruption. Not only from the top officials, but kubva kumabhazi ikoko uyo nemamwe ma-corrupt officials anenge achifacilitate. Iro bhazi rakambopfuura sei paborder? Ndo mubvunzo uripo handiti. Rakambopfuura sei paborder bhazi irore? Social media news, kana uine video yezvinhu zvauri kuziva zviri kuitika kwauri ikoko, tiri kukumbirawo kuti aiwaka unotitumira even pa email. Rikatise email yedu yanditika unogona kutitumira via WeTransfer. Ukaenda pa WeTransfer.com, you can send anything that is less than 2 gig and below. Wotitumira news yezvaunenge watora kwaunenge uriko, kana sikakwane pa WhatsApp, andika unokwanisa kutitumira pa slymediastreaming@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. That's our email. You can also chat with us. And so tiri kutaura isusu nhasi tatiri muchirongwa chatiri kutaura, ndasara ne 3 minutes kuti ndiende. Tatiri muchirongwa chatiri kukurukura kuti vanaruva kuMDC vachienda kuZANU-PF vari kuenda nemwoyo wose here, kana kuti vakatengwa, kana kuti vaona kuti aiwa kuZANU-PF ndo kune chimuko, ndo kuri kuitwa zvinhu zvakanaka. Handisi kuziva, imi ndimi ngatoziva. Ndosaka tachida kunzwa pfungwa dzenyu. Vazhinji vacontributa pfungwa dzavo nokudaro tiri kukumbira kuti imimi mucontribute mafungiro enyu mune zvimwe zvirongwa kuti muzive kuti nhasi tauya netopic ipi chamunongoita imimi like a page yedu and follow our page Sly Media Facebook page kwamuri kutoona muri ikoko kana usati wambo like a page yedu kana follow a page yedu, please do. That's our appeal to you. And also on YouTube, follow us on YouTube, subscribe on YouTube, right? And we have been reading comments that are coming from you, and we're also saying if you want to comment via video section, you are able to do that. The latest technology enables us to be able to interview anyone anywhere in the world, and anyone anywhere in the world can also comment via our video link. We can have a video conference. We can also have a panel of discussions via this streaming gear. We are able to do that. Gone are the days when you would want to have an OB van to be able to cover any rally or church, or using an OB van. Now you can use a compact fly-away kit that enables you to do what the OB van can do, maybe if not better. Yes, we are also able to do that with the state-of-the-art equipment that we have and state-of-the-art software that we pay for. Yes, that we pay for. Not many free softwares are able to do certain things. They don't have some other tools which enable us to do exactly what we are doing right now. Yes, thank you so much for your comments. If you want to comment, be the last one to comment here on video or on our page, we are in a position to be able to listen to you. But I want to thank you for continuing to support us and continuing to follow us. And I also want to thank you for sharing this broadcast. Share this broadcast so that some other people who didn't have the chance to hear us speak, they will also hear what you were saying. They will also see your contribution via this text. If you share this broadcast, mafungiro ako unoziva vamwe vane mafungiro akafanana nako vashere kuti neni zvangu zvandataura zvanzikwa paSly Media. Panewo zvekare ngoma Joe vari kutiwo thank you so much for a grant. You are doing a grand job, Sly Media. Thank you, boss. Yes, I'm not a boss. I am your servant. You know, a journalist. Thank you so much, Joe. Watuona iwo uruku Facebook page kwedu. And aiwa changosana nchekuti ndikutende nekuda kwe zvamaita nasu uno asi chandikutaura nchekuti izvo zvizvi endai ku page kwedu munolaika page yeSly Media kana kufollowa page yeSly Media uyo zvekare nekuenda ku YouTube munofollowa munosubscribe ku YouTube. You have to subscribe, and we are at 50,000. I want to see a change by tomorrow. Tofanonge tane 1,000 more, because a lot of people have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, but hence we see the numbers that grow when you come to watch our YouTube channel. You can also advertise with us by following us on this number on your screen. You can talk to Robert. If you want a live coverage of your event anywhere in Zimbabwe, tinouya ikoko, takasvika ikoko Bedbridge, takasvika kwana Tamirepu takatiriko iye akaburitsa single iri kupisa zviripo page pedi papa pazvikaro mukaenda pa entertainment munozviona. Anditika uyo zvekare Reverend Chivaviro vane nyaya yavo yavari kutaurawo maringe nezve launch yavari kuita. Anditika kudaro nyaya idzodzo dziripo pa website pedu. Anditika Emmanuel Chakonda ndiye azongopedzisira nongoti hapana chabuda. Thank you so much for your contribution. For now, we have to end this broadcast and also leaving you watching these adverts from our advertisers in Zimbabwe. I want to thank you for being with us. I want to remove this banner before we go to play our adverts. Right here we are. Thank you.
Welcome to Azambezi River Lodge, Victoria Falls. Nestled on the banks of the mighty Zambezi River, right on the edge of the national park, Azambezi occupies the most unique and finest spot with the tranquility and seclusion every traveler seeks. Each of its well-appointed rooms is either garden or river facing, allowing you to soak in the serenity of the environment. The award-winning restaurant Amlonga offers delectable cuisine, which includes our famous high teas. To explore Victoria Falls from this fine location, Book any of our packages now. Our Zambezi River Lodge. Relax, refresh, replenish.
At Sly Media Productions, we offer live streaming services to companies willing to reach a worldwide audience. We have the capacity to live stream debates from various locations for a wide range of clients.
And our online audience, we welcome you back.
We follow them and help build Zimbabwe brand on a positive note.
On the second report on citizens' perceptions.
And for us, our interest has always been around how do we leverage technology to communicate policy, to communicate public issues.